Now let us study. Cos A is 1 by 2, sin B is 1 by root 2. Okay. So what are my reference angle in these two? Just tell me. When you will, so for cos A is equal to 1 by 2. You will take one triangle. Cos A is equal to 1 by 2. What is cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Yes, cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Yes or no? Yes, base upon hypotenuse. You can write. Okay. So let us see. So let us draw the triangle for this. Cos A is equal to 1 by 2. My reference angle is A. So A will not be 90 degree. A will not be 90 degree. I can take this as A, B, C. Now what is cos A? Cos A is 1 by 2. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 2. And this is my reference angle. So use Pythagoras theorem, find BC. So you have to make use of this. Are you following this? For sin B, you have to consider different triangle. You cannot consider this triangle because trigonometrical ratio is given sin B. So B should not be 90 degree. My dear, here B is 90 degree. Are you getting this? Yes. So A and B, instead of B, see, instead of taking this as B, you take this as C and this as B, because A and B are the reference angle. Okay. What? Different right angle triangle, so it is better. You should not get confused. Okay. So you have taken B, then some of you will get confused. So it is better not to take B as right angle in any triangle. Okay. Not to take B as right angle in any triangle. So use Pythagoras theorem. Use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, yes, by Pythagoras theorem, you will get BC square plus CA square is equal to AB square. BC square, BC we have to find BC square plus CA is 1 square is equal to AB is 2 square. So BC square is 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1 that is 3. So BC square is 3. So taking square root you will get BC is equal to root 3. So BC is root 3. Okay. So BC is root 3. Now you want to find tan A. So find tan A immediately from this. What is tan A? Now you can tell me tan A. What is the formula for tan A? Opposite upon adjacent. Tan A is opposite upon adjacent. Tan A is opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite side? Opposite is root 3. Adjacent is 1. So tan A is root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. Okay. So tan A value is root 3. Tan A value is root 3. Okay. Now consider sin B is equal to 1 by root 2 and find tan B. Now consider sin B is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Are you following this? Now consider sin B is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin B is equal to 1 by root 2. What is sin? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin B is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin B is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin B is opposite upon hypotenuse. So draw the triangle. Now my reference angle is B. Reference angle is B. So let us take this B, A, C. Let us take this. Now I will consider this as a reference angle. B. Sin B is opposite is 1, hypotenuse is root 2. So use Pythagoras theorem, find BC. Use Pythagoras theorem and find BC. Use Pythagoras theorem, find BC. So by Pythagoras theorem, yes, by Pythagoras theorem, you will get BC square plus CA square is equal to BA square. So BC square we have to find, BC square, yes, BC square plus CA square, CA square is 1, 1 square is equal to root 2 square. So BC square is, root 2 square is 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So BC square is, BC square is 1, so BC is root 1 is 1. So BC is equal to 1. BC is 1. Now you want to find tan B. Find tan B. Find tan B. Find tan B. Yes, find tan B. So tan B is, yes, tan B is opposite upon adjacent. Tan B is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is, opposite of B, 1, 1 upon 1, that is 1. So tan B is 1. Tan B is 1. Now find the value of tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A into tan B. Okay, let us find. Substitute the value. Tan A is root 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus root 3 into B1. So that is root 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus root 3. Yes, now use the concept of rational number. Rationalize the denominator. Yes, rationalize the denominator, my dear. So what you will do? Multiply and divide by 1 minus root 3. No. 1 plus root 3 is same as root 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus root 3 is same as root 3 minus 1. Okay. Root 3 plus 1. Sorry. Now rationalize the denominator. So that is root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 multiply by root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Numerator will be root 3 minus 1 whole square upon a plus b into a minus b will be root 3 square minus 1 square. All of you agree? Yes, rationalize the denominator. You have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So the root 3 minus 1 square, a square root 3 square minus 2 root 3 plus 1 square upon root 3 is 3 minus 1. So root 3 square is 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 2, that is 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Okay, now use the result. A minus B divided by C, I can write A by C minus B by C. A minus B divided by C, I can write A by C. So this will be 4 by 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Now 2 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. So 2 minus root 3. So tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. 1 plus tan A tan B. The answer is 2 minus root 3. The answer is 2 minus root 3. The answer is 2 minus root 3. Yes, Is it clear? Any doubt is there in this question? Yes, tell me. Hmm. Any doubt? You can ask. So two different triangles you have to construct, and then you have to find the value of tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan B. Okay. Now 15th, if cot theta is 12, now 15th I am going to give homework. Cot theta is equal to 12. Cot theta is equal to, sorry, 5 cot theta is equal to 12. 5 cot theta is equal to 12. So cot theta is 12 by 5. Okay. Now you can easily find tan theta. What is tan theta? The reciprocal of cot theta. So that will be 5 by 12. So tan theta is 5 by 12. Okay. What is tan? Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Okay. So you can draw the diagram. Now theta is my reference angle, so this I will consider theta. Is opposite upon, this you can write ABC, no problem. Okay. Okay, no problem. But you should be able to draw the diagram with the help of cot theta. Okay. So tan theta opposite upon adjacent, this is 12, find this using Pythagoras. Now further part is homework. What is asked? Find the value of cosec theta plus sec theta. Okay. Find the value of cosec theta plus sec theta. You use trigonometric value and find this. Okay. So homework. 15. So whenever it is given cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta, convert cosec theta in terms of sin theta. Convert sec theta in terms of cos theta. Convert cot theta in terms of tan theta. Now next is 16. Tan x is 1 by 16. Tan x is 1 is to 1 by 3. 1 is to 1 by 3 is 4 by 3, correct? So reference angle is given. Reference angle is my x. So you can take this as x as the reference angle, this angle as x, no problem. This is your ABC. Okay. So tan is opposite upon adjacent, correct? 4 by 3, 4 and 3. Find this using Pythagoras theorem. Homework. Find the value of sin square x minus cos square x plus 2. Find sin x, cos x, substitute the value and simplify. Now 17th. If cosec theta is root 5. If cosec theta is root 5. Cosec theta is root 5. Okay. Now what is cosec theta? 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon sin theta is equal to root 5. Okay. So you can simplify. So sin theta is equal to sin 1 upon root 5. Okay. So my reference angle is theta. You can construct the triangle. With reference angle theta. This is ABC. This is my theta reference angle. Then sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. This is root 5. Okay. So this is further part homework. So cosec theta you convert in terms of sin theta. Then sec A is root 2. Sec A is root 2. Code is clear, my dear. From our side. Yes means clear or blur. Okay, sir. Then 17, sorry, 17, 18. If sec A is root 2, see, you have to do the calculation, my dear. If sec A is root 2, sec A is root 2. Now my reference angle is A. Sec A is 1 upon cos A. Sec is reciprocal of cos. 1 upon cos A is root 2. So 1 by root 2 is cos A. And what is cos A? Cos A is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay. So draw the diagram. Now my reference angle is A. So you will take this as A, B, C. Okay, this is my reference angle. Cos A is adjacent. Adjacent is 1. Hypotenuse is root 2. Use Pythagoras theorem, find this. Then further part no more. Okay. Then you have to find cos A, tan A, and substitute the value of sin A, cos A, tan A. You will get the answer. Then 19th. If cot theta is 1. 19. Cot theta is 1. 19. If cot theta is 1. 19. If cot theta is 1. 19. If cot theta is 1. Okay. 19. If cot theta is 1. Cot theta is 1. Okay. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. 1 upon tan theta is 1. So you will get tan theta is equal to 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 means opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent. So my reference angle is theta. Okay. You take a reference angle theta, ABC. This is theta. Reference angle. Opposite is 1. Adjacent is 1. Use Pythagoras theorem. Find this. This will be root 2.